she's really been basically teaching herself, right, Albert?
I play the other song.
What's your other name? Stormy Night? Okay, go ahead and play Stormy Night, and this is... Stormy Night. Help me out.
Melody.
Bobber? Okay, Melody Bobber. All right, and we discovered that the next tune is called Musette, and that could mean several different things, one of which is a wind instrument that has a drone tone. So much like a mountain dulcimer, or something like a harmonica, Daniela is going to play just the G on her viola, because the musette that you're going to play by Johann Sebastian Bach is all in the key of G. And so they've decided some different rhythms they could try doing, and a little bit of improv. So we'll see what happens.